We used to go to this UTV event every year that had quiet time at 8 p.m. Well, that's just not our riding style. We want to light it up at 8 p.m. and Pikes Peak International Raceway can fulfill that need. June 11th through 14th. Click the link below and get your tickets now for the best UTV festival all summer long. Where most UTV festivals are only during the day, this one, when the sun goes down, it's just time to get started. We're talking music, vendors, food, bar parties, merchandise, stunt shows, ring burnouts, asphalt drags, dirt course, drivers, riders, camping, giveaways, family fun, nightlife, and so much more. So join us June 11th through 14th at Pikes Peak International Raceway for Peak Adrenaline, the best UTV event in Colorado. Get your tickets now by clicking the link below and using our QR code to save you a couple bucks.